Hey guys, how's it going? Did go down to the shop today, finished painting the truck up, and battery was just so completely fried. I charged it up and didn't hold a charge for nothing for no length of time whatsoever, so we're going to have to get a new battery and try this start again tomorrow. So, but I did get a few pictures and videos when I was down there today, so you guys got an update on what it looked like. Check it out real quick. It's got a school bus fender on it, so we're like Dave's farm now. Right off a school bus. Okay, Dave, this is a kid's ride now. All black, gotta love it. I want to tin these somehow too, them lights. Keep water out. Only got to run 2 shocks in the front, but oh well. Better than nothing for now. Still missing 1 bracket for the other side. And we ain't got the drag bars for the bottom either, so. What do you think? Gonna be able to handle it? You got it.
Be nice to.
The way you used to ride fucking 3-wheelers down the road, popping wheelies all the way down the road, like Lou used to tell me, you got this mud truck. I'm sure of that.
It'd be nice to do a couple of practice runs.
Added a few stickers. That's a start. Alright, we're going to try to fire this up here. Ed's going to put some oil in the transfer case and rear ends. And with a first time start. Try it. Did battery hold any of a charge or no?
I haven't checked it since I charged it.
What's that? Very good. Surprised it did that. Didn't do nothing the other day. No. So with all said and done on what you've seen, I'd like to thank one special person. let you know, I really didn't get to know all that well until I got hurt and actually had to go find a mechanic. And I found Ed from E&R Auto. And I want to thank Ed personally here on YouTube, in front of all you guys. Thanks, dude. If it wasn't for you, this truck wouldn't be ready, man. It really wouldn't. It means a lot to me, and it means a lot to a lot of people to have this truck at the next event. So I want to thank you, Ed. I appreciate it so much, man. And if there's anything ever that I can do for you, you ask, and I'll try to make it happen if I can. So without a doubt, on the race truck only, there's one name going on it, actually two, a couple of them, not many on this truck, but as you can see, Ed is being added on the truck regardless. So you're going to see E&R Auto on there, his phone number, and that's Ed Camp. So Ed, thanks again, buddy. The Outlaw thanks you, and I appreciate all your time and hard work in charging me almost next to nothing for getting this done. You've done a lot of work for what you charged me, and I appreciate it. Have a good day.